Hello everyone, in this video we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Donately Actions automation for workflow apps. Once on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on install. Right here, click on allow and install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmackU video, which is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup, which shows the status of the app. Yeah, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to click on the Start Setup button and you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on Integrations and you're simply going to copy your account ID, head over back to your account and enter your account ID. Oh, sorry, I pasted it twice, so we're going to delete one. That's our account ID. And we're going to head over back to our account online, click on Show API Token and copy your API token, head over back to your account and enter your token. And lastly, we're going to enter our login email. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. Great, our app has successfully been connected and set up. We equally have the support center. At the level support center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. Here you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.